What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. So as you can see, today we are going to be doing a wig install. So I'm not gonna hold you any longer. Let's get right into it. I wanted y'all to see the hair in its natural curl pattern. This is how the hair looks naturally. A nice little wave pattern too. This is how I do my ball cap. I use the black Ebin spray. This is the extreme firm hold. The red one works good too, but the black one just does what it needs to do for me. You have to be patient with the blow dryer. That took about 7 minutes total, but real nice and dry. And now I'm about to add the makeup. This is what I use, the Kat Von D Lock It Powder Foundation in the color Rich D 220. I love this for me because I feel like it matches me very well. So I do take a generous amount because I do use this on my face. So I try to not dip in it a lot, but let me just lay it. I'm gonna lay it first and then I'm gonna spread it. Boom. Just like that. Time to cut the cap. I have to look over here because I have a bigger mirror right here rather than trying to look through my monitor. I have a mirror right here, but I'm trying to look down. So bear with me. Now I need to put the wig on my head to make sure that the hairline that I just created without even seeing if the hairline was gonna work for the wig is gonna work for the wig. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, it works, it works, it works, it works. So wig cap on. Now we need to do some maintenance to this wig. Same powder that I used on my cap, I'm gonna put it around the edges of my lace. Some of this excess lace, I think I am going to cut it off. But before I do that, I need to lay the hair back some. Oh, un momento. Yeah, just taking off that little bit made a huge difference. Let's lay this glue on. This is the glue I'm using, same as last time. I'm using Meltdown waterproof. And I like to put my glue right on the edge and smooth it out. Okay, so I'm gonna do this layer, let it dry, do 2 more layers, let that dry, and then we're gonna actually put the wig on. While I do that, let me go ahead and get like my wig band and stuff prepared. I don't even know what my wig band is. Wig is secure. So I'm about to show y'all my little trick because my ear flaps are kind of up because I didn't bring the glue far down enough. Okay, my camera's going dead, but I think we're gonna do side part. Let me let this charge so we can style the rest of this hair. So while I was letting my camera charge, I started curling my hair, but I have a dilemma. I tied this too tight in the back and my nails are not allowing me to take this loose. So we're just gonna try to take this off. Look how tight. Alright, baby hairs. I didn't curl these parts because I know I had to take hair out for the baby hair. But so far we are looking real good. So let me finish curling and I'll be back. Done curling my hair. Now I need to clean up this part. This old eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with this color right here. With this brown and just hit my edges just to crispy it up. Just to crispy it up. Because what am I even trying to say? And then we can comb out this hair. Not this showing, but maybe I should just cut it. Because why are you loose? Imagine thinking you cute and your wig cap hanging at the bottom. Gotta do this to make the hair big. Yeah. All right, so that is the wig start to finish. I hope you guys enjoyed. This hair is from Amazon. It was $100. This is probably my fourth or fifth install, but this is the part 2 of part 1. I think part 2 was better because you actually got to see me do the full thing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that bell so you know every time I come through, and I will see you guys in my next video.